I take accept my husband come promise say he promise he go start by me. Me I not worry, not gonna come the fear am because I never dey used to run. Just barely 4 months, I be 5 months. You understand? You know, so all this caramel, if they don't see what they women skirt finish. So as I come see am, now he come tell me say he want go put money for my head. I say, this one serious. Oh. No, he not first tell me that one. He say he want follow me do the common marriage for abroad. Based on wetin my lawyer talk. Then I come say, okay. He said, but he like me, but he want me to put money for my head. I said, serious? He said, yes. Now all this issue take on. Now we take do common marriage. Before we do common marriage, I can't go meet my pikin where I born, so he go mother. Now I go meet because now I give my pikin as my girl. And I come tell us I beg. Plus he don't tell me before, say he don't give her medicine. We take born. But the person we just the gist to now the person tell me now I can't go meet the woman. Now I beg him. Now I say I beg. Not be say I come as a gossip. See my problem. I need to get belle before while I take escape prison. So person tell me so thing like this. It's so okay. Now he take give me. And the woman come tell me saying if I don't under my medicine after 4 days or 5 days, now I'll take drinker.
Which medicine be that? Which medicine be that?
Now native medicine be like bamboo sticky tiny.
I'm from Nigeria for carry a come.
Yeah, they come.
I'm from Nigeria for carry the medicine come.
The one where she forget, she want
Wait. Don't allow her talk. Don't do that again. You understand me? So, I don't know say a lot of us go pray. That's not a joke. A lot of us we will praise this year. Think about that. Wow, yeah, now. Wow, more relax now. It's on a part one. One relax.
Bobby.
I beg, hold on. Hold on. I beg, me I round up. Men dey when you go support una, you go make una grace. Women dey when you go support una, you go make una grace. Now here we dey. We dey watch. America is watching. Russia is watching. China is watching. North Korea is watching. We are watching.
TikTok is shining.
Even people dey watch.
We dey watch. We are watching. We don't say I want to play. Yeah.
My sister, you don't come back.
I don't come.
Yeah, welcome back.
Talk everything.
So I don't come back.
Where you for stop? You say that bamboo medicine.
I know worry. I know where my story.
Yeah, we there with you. Talk everything.
Drink water.
Now my story. This social media not be anything. Then the thing be like bamboo stick. I even thought I want to go bring her for the. I'll go the woman. I'll go carry her. Come because somebody still need that. Use opportunity show for social media. It is this if you put water, if you put can for inside. So now some me and my husband to run things. Where I take get my first baby, Belle. And God was so kind. I don't know what happened. Because I can't get Belle. When my Belle don't reach 3 months, I not feel register for this thing for the register for hospital for Belle. So the doctor, God will come bless her. He come write something for me. Say make I carry go there. As I carry and go there, now me and my husband still go. My husband see the movement of all this police. You know, say me now not know anything, the movement. Now my husband tell me, say, fair how you go take run. For because my belly never big. Me I fair how take run, come up for there. Me I fair how take run. I say, okay. That's how I take do. I can't tell the police I want peace. For their turn left for there. For I now face of that police now and jump. What?
With pregnancy.
Leave my husband.
To jump with Belle God.
Yeah, my belly never even big. It dey like 2 months. You understand me? Because you me not call the go there again. And based on when me don't get the belly, because the lawyer don't give me IQ. You understand me? Because as I don't get that belly, me don't get confidence. Me I don't know say I'll feel let that belly big come out first. You understand? Now I take jump fence. As I jump, the first not even high because the thing they there. You feel stand on top, you feel stand jump pass. Then at the other side, now I go down pass. So I say I take do now my husband say
Which side you can't jump? I don't make go down pass. I've been on which side?
No, say you went first go the way you want jump, so the tip you had go up. Then the other side where I go jump put. Now just normal place now see guiding. If you walk up, past any place, you will come out for you because the train station, no, the questora not for our house. Just like
Yeah, I
15
understand.
minutes. Now say your B. Like I say I tell you, when they come put my husband document for computer, they come say now the center where that guy take on, now my husband still take on, so they can't leave on. You see how the matter? They call the ask her whether he know me. They call even the invest. Now my husband say yes, he know. Now he wife. Now he can't even the talk for there say he get belle, but he don't know where he go. Because the movement of the now to handcuff me carry command. Now when my belle even reach 6 months, they even handcuff me when I go there again. As I go where the young handcuff me now, I just said the young handcuff me now, I just for ground. Now they can't even come now that I even know how blast this questora there. They can't come they can't even they beg me say make I not vex. They can't even the oga pata call the call I say they can't even they tell me say no be you get the case now another person case, but 100% I know say na my case. You understand? But based on the belle I can't get, I can't lose. That is the way they tell me the thing. I can't get out of shock. You understand? So all these police can't dey vex for the person where tell me the issue. So they can't carry me go ambulance. They can't say they don't leave me. When I just born, my pikin you reach 6 months. Now they what is it happen? Not be say they see at me. Now waiting me and my husband they do for us like we they say something. You understand? Now they take busting. You understand?
Madam, he don't do. Read
This one
comment.
about
Don't
you.
No, they say no dog. No, my
Leave her, make you
sister.
talk now. Now you get the story.
Jesus. I
Go
said,
ahead. Go
Talk. I
ahead.
don't know. They don't
I
disturb
beg.
you.
Anybody may not allow this lady talk. She go tell us her own story. Who should be still not? Let her talk now. I beg.
so now so they take like where they come
Rambo. When something don't they pass, be careful. One of they find way to confirm. You know what? Some of us story, sometimes some story for this abroad, no be motive mock each other, na motive learn. If una
yes.
see even when he say she get belle jump first, na problem in dey when he take carry belle jump first. Are
Yes,
you not
now.
touched?
No be
Are
lie.
you
No be
not
lie.
touched? Are you people
I'm
not
touched. I'm
touched?
touched.
So
Okay,
sometimes there are some
that's
things. There
why.
are some wait.
When
But
you
there are
know
some
why they say this women they be evil, and now you know now.
no,
Be.
BBL. You know, say there are some certain things I no go talk with. There are some
No be
certain
lie.
things we go need touch us for this Europe. We dey
Okay.
suffer for this Europe.
No,
We dey
see,
suffer. The story sometimes may they touch us. Sometimes when people to talk come up, but they mock each other, they laugh each other. All of us they pass through one or two things. More they support each other.
If I tell you
Bros.
what
for
I
me,
don't
I
pass
not
through
dey
now,
touch
will you be
for
touched?
me.
Yes,
I
because I
not dey
never
touch
hear your
because
own, I
na
no
my
go dey
past.
touch.
I don't use
Okay.
a day. I don't dey
Madam, no
used
talk
to.
everything. Do you understand? No talk some certain things. Keep some for pocket. Make you take follow
Because
road.
you don't already
Yeah?
get social media now.
You know me, that one where you are your husband, the business owner, they do no concern anybody, no talk all those ones. You hear
Okay.
anything when you know say
Yes,
you
ma'am.
fish.
Yeah,
That
thank
one
you.
I pass story. Let her explain. May others still
So,
learn.
no, because the other guy they change the also. I know some saga. You want like bullying.
No,
You know
make you
bullying
talk
me.
am o take learn.
No,
So
not be saga. Not be saga. Not be
Talk
saga.
am o take learn. Even me
so
sef I
that's
wan
the
learn
whole
from his
issue.
story.
So after 3 months, my husband they come carry us go court. As we dey carry us go court, my lawyer come tell me say my husband go spend 1.6 years based on him own na this thing, but for my own like they call am criminal case. You understand? Like this people they carry person come. So when we reach court, based on the way my husband take talk, then they free my husband that very day. Because my husband come dey say apology letter to all the government wey he call him. They say he no know, but for their country e dey legal. You understand? But he no know say for here na against their law.
They illegal.
Yeah, so he say it's dey against their law. He can't use good dig all this kind of. So now the judge come ask am say how many years he don spend for her. That is the come ask am now he come say he free am. Even my lawyer was so shocked. And me myself was so sure because already, say, before you enter inside court, lawyer will tell you everything where you need to know before you go enter inside the court. So now,
Madam, you don't born that time.
yes, I don't born my first daughter.
That is, he
Okay,
born the
they
first daughter
escape.
for another man, not before this husband. So
No, this my
No,
husband.
now this man now, now this man.
Oh, just
Mommy,
leave her
Vie,
Wait,
please
wait.
wait.
Jesus Christ.
Wait,
Mommy,
wait,
my
If
story.
now she
Mommy,
gets story
wait.
now.
Now she gets story. I beg this. The talk come where? Wait,
This is my first
because
daughter.
wait. Wait. You get. I don't know why. No, I not tell her say make she not talk. He tell us say don't do social media. Just that most of us don't know. People where they here know. When I not come here, they tell us say make she don't stop.
Me,
she
I
don't
not
stop.
know
She
now.
dedicate herself to talk. Me not know before. My sister,
No,
may
no.
you debunk, and then they pull life for her head. She want debunk her.
Not be
She dey
today.
debunk her now.
Not be today now. Not be today. That's
my-
let me tell you the lie.
wait now. No, not talk. The one we hear now you go debunk.
Okay,
Wait. They say you get that one way wrong. They say you born for that one way wrong. Tell us about how you take born before you come meet this one where you born.
I
again.
no born any pikin. Now when I take girl, now maybe say I take girl, but my husband give me belle. You know, say Saga don't come, they go change am.
You see the truth that they come outside now. Rambo, you see the truth that they come outside. She not fair
Yes,
born now.
now.
The truth that they come
I
Not
outside.
say,
first born.
you
If she
that
not
your
talk
first
story, how
daughter,
the
they
truth
swear.
come
If
outside?
not this man you born her for, if not be no sir.
Rambo say make it
Rambo,
make
for
sure
No,
you
no,
and
no, nobody
I no go
for swear.
swear.
Hope
You
I
said
beg,
No,
nobody
not
for
be swear.
swear.
Not be swear.
We dey learn
Wait.
for swear.
My pikin name, my first daughter, na the pikin, my papa name dey bear. You
Okay,
understand?
you not carry person picking give another man.
No, na me I need plan based on why I escape prison.
Okay,
Papa name in the beer,
wait, madam,
Now, Victor,
hold
you
on.
there here from Victor, come talk. Many people know
Mommy,
this guy
please
go for no
now.
sir before he come know this boy. Oh, he dey
Okay,
lie. Oh.
Like
He
I say,
even
my my
confess about herself. Oh.
my pikin name,
Essay, just talk everything. Will they believe you? Now the truth they talk everything.
Exactly.
Na saga because me and you we don't
Just
believe
clear the
saga.
hair.
We know
Essay.
say saga many lies they come outside. Just talk everything.
Just clear the hair, that's all.
So then for there now we can't begin the. My husband can't do marriage with me. After they can't defend my husband my husband don't come out for court, he can't come house. You understand that my husband come free because when he can't come house, the court tell us make you wait till when police go bring paper, come make it sign. Now go fit take come out. As we all the reach us, never reach 10 minutes. Now they bring paper for my husband, he sign. Now that is now 3 months instead of 1 year and 6 months. You understand? Because you don't know yours now, not be known, now minus thing, you don't know. So now we just take stop. After 6 months of thing, now my husband take get document, but me can't still did the answer based on I felt made mistake for the first time. Like when the first lawyer we felt they use before, he can ask me say if they ask me question, I not talk. And that talk where I not talk, now I was everything. You understand? So now make a long glass. If now I wish I talk like as the girl talk, me consi talk, we go dey drag the matter for court. The only record where the girl they play, now my parents, so not they play my own. You understand? So now so the whole issue take off. Wetin come worse everything wey make the judge. Me I no know say the guy mother did this abroad. And the girl come talk say girl person wey go defend am and we no know say na the girl mother. Me come say me see girl person wey go defend me. My own biological sister the same mama and my papa e come dey like shit like.
Not break anything.
It is
They
well.
feel your pain. They feel your
Just
pain.
continue.
No
It is
worry.
well.
Okay, wait, your family
Like,
betray you.
wait, like
Your bosses.
this the way I use my own money carry come. Na me carry am come. You understand? When lawyer cut us say whether I get person wey go defend me. Now I say yes, he did my sister. So my sister agree. Now that one I pay me, not be say he will disappoint me. You understand? He agree with my lawyer. After we don't reach us, my lawyer come tell us say you fit come defend me. He say yes. He go fit come defend me. My lawyer collect my sister document in there and everything right out for ground. Like say he go tap out for computer say so person accept to come defend me for court. Where that day come reach, my sister Gbaga go to Germany. I wish she tell me, say, sister, I not go come, may I find another person. I will prepare myself, or I will know what I will talk. He just go put me in the
Okay, okay, carry Bele go Germany. Your sister carry Bele go Germany.
No, he wrong. I know now when I can't read, I know when the whole story, when my, so with that destination, I not they call my parents, I don't want to know anything about the gay, they don't they provoke me.
I don't feel for this girl, I feel for this girl. She don't really pass through that.
No, the thing that
I
pass,
want
not
to
be waiting
stop.
the report, that don't
If you need
that Adilala,
how
where
will
is
that
the
for
immediate talk?
you know who women, I can find your trouble. But you
I
know,
know.
she
Make she
pass.
stop because the moment when she dey go, she dey do emotional. Make she stop. Make she not come dey
Yeah,
No, I go emotional. Why I go emotional? Wetin don pass? I call the like.
This story
One are
is
they
past
drink? One are they
Nollywood.
drink Panadol? One are they drink Panadol for person? He say he ready to talk.
Wait,
He say he ready to talk.
wait, I not may not talk. There is something I want to say before she continue. I want to speak to you. I don't ask you to mute to unmute to wait. I don't think that you can find your trouble where you sit down. Everybody witness I'm here. Please let go. Don't go say you come meet from another place again. Just let go. Because only one word, you don't put her for many things now, and she don't be talking a lot of things. I mean by take all the people for her. Do you say I want the people woman no? I want the people single maybe I should not be single mother her, but I call the people her. The people they touch me, she don't really pass through a lot, you know. I don't really see her. I beg. You na too worry, Mona put stop. Is enough. Mona be more that. Mona put stop. So I say you can continue. Thank you.
I say talk everything.
Unmute yourself. You have been unmute yourself.
I say unmute yourself.
Madam Essay, unmute yourself now. You're on mute.
I even say I know. I say make una not pity me, or more not worry.
No. We just your story. You have to learn.
You understand? So now the whole story just come like when even that Adilala on way if they talk, where up they talk just now say Adilala, yeah, it is true, but when the whole issue come, then this my lawyer, so he can't say he don't fed up with the case. You understand? Because he don't already put left hand, like he can't say make me not talk. When the country ask me, so the judge come pass it and say, that means what I the girl they talk. It's true because why I not talk. You understand? So now they have to write the years give me. Everybody sign. So when we come meet,
But wait, so get one question I want to ask you, Madam Essay.
when we come meet,
Lawyer may talk, say may you not talk. That means he's ready to represent you. He will talk for you. That means lawyer will be your mouthpiece.
So I wish me know how for talk.
The lawyer not gonna talk for you.
No, they only ask me my name, my son, how old am I, which day the way I say yes. Open my lawyer, me not the year Charlie now, me not know what lawyer can't talk. Lawyer not talk reach 2 minutes.
You explain, give lawyer.
Lawyer know the way they sup, he even know everything.
Okay.
He know everything. Even lawyer even carry me go corner tell me say make I agree. Now I say why I go agree?
Okay, your sister can't run go. Wait, your sister can't run go Germany. You don't know whether na pikin carry go. So why you can't call your mama stupid? Waiting trigger you to call your mama. Which time you take curse your mama, you can't carry your mama go.
They even make me enter social media. You understand?
Talk that way.
Yeah.
Talk that one. That one I won't hear again.
So for not be even that one. So what can happen when we can carry another lawyer? So the lawyer cost na 6,000 euro carry for one because the former lawyer come tell us say if we made that 10 days when we put this thing for our P, or else they'll come carry my enemy go prison. So we need to find another lawyer. So the lawyer can't bill us sister because this one could be our private lawyer. So they can't bill us 6,000 euro. And inside that point, we can't begin. My husband can't call him mother for village. That one can't send money come. So as he send money come, we can't collect her here. So people from my city, they can't send money come for me. This woman why they thought say give me this medicine where I take get belle so. That one can't donate. My brother where doctor in the can't donate. You can't they look for money. Then based on say I get land, I get property for Nigeria. So now I call my parents, say, daddy, I want me to sell my land, I want me to sell my property, I want use the money for a year. Based on the problem when I put me for a year. So my papa say, okay, he go find who will buy. You understand? So we couldn't wait. Now I can't call my papa say, I don't get person where you want buy the land. Just go help me give her the paper of the land. Lawyer did there, make the person give me the money here. Now therefore no say that my parents even they keep the land, they never even buy Yakult, all this thing. With that anger where they with me. Even when every time my papa say I don't tire, they come back home. I want to, he said, make I know you come home. He said if I come Nigeria, I go still go prison. My kukuma serve the prison for a year. Now I said, well, now put me for prison. Now this now one come talk. Give me my land. You know what? Give me. Now I take drag the go. I just like carry the come. All
But this guy don't pass through a lot to
so
When we ask one question, I must still talk since so Mona wait. DJ Chris, wait. Now the same city you and this girl dey. This girl, her first daughter. Wait, I want to ask you a question. DJ Chris, that first daughter so now that man where they call husband so now he born her for being a nosa.
No. I get the where it cost put. May I bring a juju paper. Now another man threaten that man. No sir. He threatened that man. I make the man run come off our city. Go front. Now they are two gathered doing.
Before he come carry this one. Thank you,
yeah, before he carried the belly, they shoot with this one. He carried the belly, they sleep with this one.
Mama Essay, just calm down.
I know because I know. That's why let's stop.
No, make this woman talk. This woman know when we're at the same city.
Because at the same city we dey.
Pikin head, may swear put.
Wait, madam, we don't swear. Wait, Ivy, wait. Mona, calm down.
See, Mona walk here. If you are Mona, calm down.
Mona, if you keep me, my bro.
Well, the bullying is getting too much. But I say the problem with they be say, how you can't look for trouble all night abo. Una go dey start what you not fit finish. This is the problem. Your story is touching, especially those your parents. So now that one won't hear. You see these parents. That mean you say listen to me. You see parents when it be say, they won't use their picking take turn to their heaven and without their picking, they not fit chop. And see, I put them die.
No, bro, when they ask the question, they don't come. They talk.
She won't answer the question. She will answer the question. She ready for that.
Wait, Mona, wait. Essay, mute first, no order. Mute first. DJ Chris, on mute. Not talk with power, not talk with emotion. I bet me will just talk things as things be. She did hear any lie where you don't lie for her. She go tell you say na lie for here. Okay. You not go beat her. You not go put her this time for her.
Just
mute now, beg.
Okay, sir.
Wait. Waiting this woman do you first of all.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Me and this woman, I dey help am before. Now me dey help am. Me take come Europe. Now she fair come Europe before me. We get one.
Okay, na Nigeria na for no.
No, na here. He can't dey call my husband. She dey call my husband. He brother. You understand? He get one because he take am. Me tell they call my brother and my husband, his brother. Now we they take off. Now we they take off. Wait, you never read that one. Wait, now this girl. The time me take girl that belly. I swear with the life. She come meet me because they come.
No, never swear. No, they swear for you. They talk to.
She come meet me. You say, Mama, I know they go. Sweets they go. I know they go road walking. Now road walking they do for sweets.
I know they saga. I know go road walk.
Not be saga. Not go saga. You not be saga. Not there. Yes, not there. Now he can't meet me. He say no fit go there again. Now I say why? He say because he get belle for Nosa. no start deny am say no be belle say because if they go road work he no fit carry that he no fit accept that belle. Na because say why no sir dey do like that. Now I say may I tell my husband say no, maybe secret between two of us. Now I say okay, God dey look me this evening. Now I say okay, because she come dey go farm work. As she come, he say he see one boy. That this his husband may dey with her, so he see her for farm work. If she dey work because he get belle, he go dey fall. This man I dey help am for inside the farm work. You understand? The boy you come Europe, he dey camp. You understand? Now then let me come say okay. You tell her say you tell the boy say you get belle. He say no, she never tell her. The boy dey plan to come in house, come stay in house. They from there they go the farm work because now camp now the boy dey. Now let me come tell her say okay, if the boy come, make sure say you tell the boy say you get 3 months now say because na 3 months is there now. Hospital no fit remove her again o. You tell them say you get 3 months belle. May this boy for like you. If you come give her the belle force her for her, this boy no like you. Later, he go bring problem. Cause okay, mama, I hear everything when you talk. Now this girl today, I don't know whether I tell the boy. She not tell the boy. He did like 3 days. He come me to say don't tell the boy. The boy don't accept. And beside where they collect document, not because say that girl go donation, that girl never donation. He go use the madam and carry her come. They shop at Duro, and he come they go also. Come they go road work. Police may go take shop at Duro. That one cause the police come slap her for road work. Now they collect that document for his hand. Police slap her for road work because use the madam. They shop at Duro. And I made them give her a document. As police snap her, he can't carry the case come dey court. Now they take collect that.
Wait, I beg. Me iron this issue small. Wait.
She don't know.
Wait, my sister.
They don't collect the document for his hand.
That way she dey go switch. She don't know say the document not there.
She don't know. She don't know. As she can't get belle. As she can't get belle, let it stop that road work. No, our city people may not know this guy for road work. No, our city may not know this guy. You go use your mother, take a duro. You can't go they go road one. I make police collect that document for your hand. You see, now I take bond that picking for this boy. Before this boy, come no say, not be she, not be he get the picking. They come fight, one boss, big fight. They beat her. I not go lie for all this matter. May because my say may not swear. He can't bring me, my husband. I see go settle them. We can't settle the matter. Now the boy now go send for Europe. I bet my brother and my sister on a day Europe. If whether now I get picking up, I get picking. If you not come out as a father for hospital, the time that woman they born. Oh, not be that man go be father. Not be that man make go there. Not be Europe on a day.
Okay, he tell you say that the other guy now get the picking the earlier stage.
For my brother, he called the picking the belle. The belle get 3 months. He begged me say maybe secret for 2 of us.
Okay. We don't hear you. May your husband talk. Your husband want talk. May your husband talk.
Only take.
Your husband want talk. May he talk.
Honey,
yeah, we greet you, sir.
Honey, you know this my sister.
You know of universe.
DJ Christy don't go Akalakwa.
Honey, sister, if you mute me.
So,
honey, you dey hear me? DJ Chris.
I see you, my brother. Now, well done.
Well done. They ask how you and this family, this our sister, tell us what you know.
Okay, Alora, this girl, so they my city here, based on who I be for the city. If they always, when person go, they happy. If you meet person, if you meet me, they already get joy. So then she already take me, my brother, go tell everybody, say my brother. Although I still know some of your brother from Welu, all those areas, I know some of your brother. and some of the brothers still know me. So then, the day we can't describe their house, now I can't know them, my brothers. I can't know all of them. You understand? So inside there now, you can't say be my brother. Really, I can't really take on. Even when they sort everybody, they go. People go. They say, "I meet the side down." I dey stand beside. I don't carry enemy because of her many times. Then the first day when she come my house, my wife come say, "I don't like this girl." I come say, "Leave one." Huh? Person when they happy for loan, now you say you know like her. So that time, like I say they come, she and a friend. Now they are two gather come. They come enjoy, go to do everything. They come come. From then I see they take her as my own. So from then now, my wife they do it well. The message still there. When be say me go send me say I beg, I want to do well for your wife. Because my wife no get friend that time. She not dey go with anybody. I say okay, make my wife they do her head. This girl went there so. Now my wife, now they do it for her. Now my wife they do. Now my wife, now they do her head. He never take for them and she come start to the commit nuisance. Come start to the saga people. You know they do a lot of things. When it dey problem, when they tell you and this one boy when he marry so this boy so. So this boy so when we say deal with now, that boy so now be my barber. That boy so the barber my head. Because that time they go club where they play for club every weekend. He must come barber me that time and get dressed. So when I come see the one day they carry back, then they come for church. Now I come see I say because everybody knows say na Nusa na be your husband. The way Nusa take.
Okay, but not be King Nusa.
No, not be King Nusa. Now one guy.
The guy even come out for social media say they look like the king.
I just a joke with King Nusa, my guy.
So because see him with
just a joke, my guy dey UK.
Because see him with this boy, with this woman boy. So I say, see they are two that they gather the boy they help the dropper. Now I call boy. So what did they do with my sister? Like new. Now what they do with her? They are two called they laugh. Later, now I call before you know, now so no son the treat am well. That's why I go this one. Me no know say that time I never know say me no say give am belle no say me. Not be only one, not be the shopper. So he not go accept. May remove the belle. So me now know that one. So later now, this boy so and say they come fight. They don't so they don't worry. This boy so he never take for them now. Nusako abandon and Nusako come on. When he got a threatening Nusa, when this case of human trafficking come, now then we got a threatening Nusa say you know say you get hand for inside and that get measure your need. Anything will make you make fame. Come about this speaking, you do anything. I go tell you say na me and you gotta do one. This suffer so I know suffer alone. Na me and you gotta suffer. Na me no sa run.
Bros. Now here hold me well. Now here I want to know the real story.
Yes, I
this lady, this lady really do woman trafficking. I've been a mama doing.
Who she mama? The mama with the secretary. Israel. Why be not them your power? Israel be no ya mama like we boy. The mama with the secretary.
Bros, you calm down, talk. DJ, please calm down.
DJ, calm down. Yes,
calm down, talk.
If mama get that money to carry get call, mama no carry her. Mama no carry his sister.
Human trafficking and he go, he dey sell drugs.
So this girl doing when he bring the girl come, this girl so this abandoned goddaughter so when they here. He come meet me for near Penny supermarket. He say, "Pa, he want me girl marry." As I dey talk so, you understand so? Now come say me, those things not be waiting that they talk follow everywhere. He say, "Pa, the reason why they tell you if you know say they do show because that time I they do show back to back." He say, "Man, if your friends when they do show this thing one still they talk so make she still swear. If your friend when be say when they do one show if they need girl let me know I go give them the girl. Wetin make the girl quarrel and I be this one. He go use that girl take do oyibo for night. He go use am take dey do black. All the old guys wey dey our city call the shop that small guy and small pikin. Ovio hamo ade wey go. No be mama. I feel swear for mama. The only offense where mama go confess wey be say me the mama no find out where say the girl get mama for year. Na only that one be mama offense. Mama go give her wrong person. Say na mama bring am come, give am. Maybe no know before. Say mama introduce am for her. Say person wey carry am come, wey be the original madam. Is no one na she use am.
Mama only carry the girl come.
If she no use am, tell me say she bring her come go. If I sleep this time I no wake up. How many of you dey work so? I know they carry the cost. If you no use am, tell me. Say my they bring my friend come short time is 20 euro. If in a daybreak is 50 euro, if you don't use a they tell me if I sleep this time I don't wake up. Now everybody tapping my put.
And they said the girl that time at 12 years old.
Yeah. They get very small. She tiny, she lean. Now she bring come. When they come,
they have arrest in 7 years now. They don't pay. They don't release them.
The 2000 is still beat the girl wrong come out. It cost the threat. Because he injured the girl. It cost the threat the girl.
Okay, wait. DJ Chris, I beg wait. Okay. Essay, you hear me?
You no worry, we'll go come to Essay.
You get anybody maybe debunk with DJ Chris they talk. You get anybody if he invite call. If you call debunk with DJ Chris they talk.
I think debunk my team by myself.
No. You know, you go.
No worry. No worry. DJ talk.
Rambo. They go outside.
DJ, hold on. There is something I want to say.
Power tap and share the video.
There is something I want to say quickly here. Una see with me, una the talk.
Power tap.
If you lawo wo mu jawi gene.
For BBB, we don't be J.
Now woman be woman problem. Tomorrow they'll say Bobby hate woman. He hate woman. Now woman the color on a secret come out. I never thought I said because they won't know about woman. Now woman will tell you. And I get them. I get them for WhatsApp. No, una say problem. Fine, say quarrel day. I make an so you know where quarrel not the day. But you people go far to the extent to go to expose things. Now be say me say to say you go carry person picking, go give another person. Now be say I support him. There is the other way you can do it. That's you know we involve social media. When it be say somebody will get
she first to beat them all.
Hold on. I know if you I know now she will first fight trouble here. I don't first talk her. When you know say you get dirty secret like this, you supposed to just mind your business, do your contribution. I go in peace. Contribution, your opinion giver.
Dirty secret, I don't get the all of them. I mean bring my social see bros. Okay, let's
even again my the queen Mujane wala. Even at that, even though some say all these things what they talk about, you say, I see the pay for you. I know if you see like. Now, I mean, not even like you now, but maybe say I hate you now, but I don't like some kind of character one of the do, but as the pay for you, I swear. If there's something that they tell you so, when they say you do so, and I mean, they tell. It they pay me. But the truth of the matter be say, make una learn how to keep una secret between una self. I don't say here one year, una no fit. Tomorrow, the one you see the Sanoy secret come out now, you just see there everywhere as we talk now, they WhatsApp. You don't feel me so? But Baba, DJ Keys, take it easy. I don't know the call I want to get. I've been friend before, when I friend first start kakaranka. I don't know how it take get to this extent. When the be say when I call the color everything come out. Baba, take it easy now. What's up? Take it easy. Lahore, take it easy.
BBL, please, you know when Zaddy left this place, I said, let me go to Zaddy's platform. I saw them, they were live talking about, I didn't know that it's about this woman they are talking about. They were live. This man with his wife was on live. They were talking about it. I was an FIP. I was listening to them. I didn't know that is something concerning me. So I said, let me come back here. I then saw this woman attacking Mommy VA. Before I said, okay, let me come. I stay. I was here since morning.
Then which woman you said that they talk about?
They were talking about this something. These people, they were live. This DJ K. Am I lying? They were live. They were on live. Talking about it. They open life, yes.
They quarrel now. The girl, if I go find them.
They were on life, but I didn't know. I didn't know that is a matter they were talking about. Please, let's take it easy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, my sister. I beg, make I come to Essay. Essay, you hear me? Essay, you hear me, sister? If you mute, I beg. Sister, if you mute, sister, if you mute, I beg. Essay, do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
See, this allegation big. I don't know where I want for start. They say now you carry.
Big. You know this guy where they see so. So as if you don't bring
okay,
come.
Wait. Waiting DJ Chris talk everything. How you take know them? How you entertainment? How you
Yeah,
call it?
now
Talk
what talk?
everything. Talk
Before
everything.
I
We
talk
did here.
once, I bet you if you send me your WhatsApp, let's forward some kind things.
Say me you talk everything.
No, talk
No, I
everything.
go
Yeah,
send.
talk everything. Yeah, no
No,
WhatsApp. Talk
wait,
everything.
no, make evidence now. She dey talk with evidence. I go
Mona,
send you
hold on
WhatsApp.
now. She know will prove herself. Mona,
And
talk
number
now.
two,
You know,
when I still ask him whether I take care of his daughter, when they arrest him and his husband, whether not be me carry his daughter. Everybody come dey fear for my city. So, I carry his daughter, come dey pray for my house.
I see.
I
Wait
say,
now,
no
my
insult,
bros.
no insult.
Me dey carry her dey go.
It's not that just now. Hey, guy, not tell me that one. Not tell me say my voice.
Bros, I will drop you. Wait, no insult her, no insult her. I don't mute her. Wait, I won't send you my. I won't send you my number. I won't send you my. I won't send you my number. I won't send you my number. Maybe because you do not go feed they put allegation for here. I not go feed defend you.
Not be lying. Not be lying.
I
Not be
don't make say
lying.
baby send me your this thing.
With proof, oh.
Don't send you my WhatsApp. Don't send you my WhatsApp.
Okay.
I say I don't send you. Send everything. Make I send and give Bobby.
So hey, bros. Now ask question because if I want to talk, I go dey bring some kind things come out there. There was still no one for here just now. Shame and disgrace go enter
Talk
my
everything.
just now.
Yeah. Not the only you go bring person, you go shame. As them bring you, make them still shame. Wait now.
Talk everything.
Wait now.
Talk everything.
See, bro, this guy, this DJ Goat, wait, they talk so.
Rambo, I bet more than no verse. Before they go talk everything, who that queen say Zadi? Which of the Zadi in the talk? Say that the talk story.
No be you, leave him now. No be
Okay, now the
Zadi, no
teaching
be
of
that.
Zadi leave on the talk.
No.
Bros, this guy, he say, I tell no, I talk everything.
I talk everything.
I talk of him.
So, wetin happen for me? I know this guy na he die for my city. You understand? Na small boy for our city. Thank God say see the man talk am here. So wetin happen? This guy, the cap wey me fair dey wey me for comot na him dey. Na DJ Goats for our city. You understand? So wetin happen? Me and Enogie, we come get matter. No, not be me and Enogie, sorry. Me and Fracomozuo. No, na social media president. Sorry, hey, social media president.
No insult. No insult for anybody. They're not there yet. Not the
Wait, na Star Majesty come sing one song. Then he come tag me and Enogie for inside the song. You understand? Me and the DJ Goat will not get quarrel. So as he come tag us, me come hear the music. Enogie come dey react for this video. Say, why Star Majesty go play this kind of song, all this kind of thing. So when me come, they go that I never too much know Facebook that time. So they come, they play the music, they contact me based on DJ Goat. You know, DJ Goat, thank you for the gift. DJ Goat know Star Majesty. They got
Stack give you, stack. Not be DJ Goat give you, na stack give you.
No, I say thank you for this.
Star, they give me. Talk
For the gift. So
DJ Goat.
now
No,
DJ
no,
Goat.
insult am. Don't. That's being talk now. It's not fair now.
Now the name where they come and right from Dallas, you cannot change it. Now you bring her come here.
Hold on, please. Hold on. Just call
Now
her
your
DJ.
plan, your man.
If Sami bring her come here, your people.
You bring her
Now
come
your
here.
man, your man.
Wait.
Goat.
Mona, wait now.
Which time no get a saga out?
Mr. Bobby, what you have for this do now? Mr. Bobby, control is here, make I dey control
I don't
the
want laugh. I don't laugh first.
DJ.
We know
I beg. Mona, mute now.
Mona, wait now.
Everybody, hold on.
I go drop people. I beg at the verse.
Essay, not
If my body platform, I for don't drop on her.
Wait, my sister, wait. Abemona, no, wait. Essay, stop. Essay, wait now, DJ, wait. Essay, stop. Not the call on DJ Goat again. Yes.
Just call on DJ.
Stop that one.
Just call on
Mona,
DJ.
calm down.
Hey,
Mona,
what's
calm
the
down.
worry
Settle
you?
this
You
issue
know what-
now.
you know what's
Mona,
wrong?
calm down.
Huh?
Mona,
Just
calm
call
down.
on
Settle this
DJ.
issue now. Just call on DJ. Say,
Correct
not
and wait.
DJ.
Correct and beg.
I beg. Yeah, everybody calm down. I beg. We must settle this issue with one love. I beg. I say,
Bobby, no they laugh.
continue
Correct
now.
and
Bobby,
beg.
you know they laugh
Correct
now.
and beg.
Bobby
Just
mood.
Even
Bobby
Bobby
mood, I
said
don't
he's a
mood
bad
Bobby.
guy.
I say, you
Yes,
continue
he's
to
a bad
talk
guy.
now. How you take no there?
I say continue. No insult. I say. She say nobody dey
no
insult for here.
anybody. I beg.
If they insult you, I go. I
One
no go
love.
agree.
One love, my brothers.
Talk.
Talk everything. Talk everything.
I say you on mute. They mute you on mute, though.
Okay.
No insult. I beg. Lawo.
No, because now the name will give you. They give me name. He say I be a waiting try. I be ask arrest. Let me give her a name. Why we call the? I accept the name. Why you don't want to accept your own name?
No, leave her. Because of comment section, I beg.
Yeah, no conversation go cast fire, bro. So even this 2,000 go.
You never send me.
Get belle so. As you get belle so, may you go.
So my brother, make a talk.
Get belle so.
Why are you
My
crying?
sister, they here now. Relax now. When you talk, you keep quiet. This girl was responsible when you were saying something. Please, allow her. My sister, you never still send me evidence, so my phone, they my hand.
Where you send that put? Where your WhatsApp? Where you
don't say you don't see there your phone. I check. I don't say your number.
I said TikTok and WhatsApp.
Yes. TikTok now get your WhatsApp.
Bro, see, well, I'm not best.
Okay, if
you call your WhatsApp,
you see your life.
No, you know go call her. My sister, go comment session. I go bring you back. Nobody go do this.
Okay, bro,
you send request back.
I don't know. So I take come on, go message.
No, go down. I will bring you back, Nana. Go down. I will bring you back, Nana.
Not me.
Yes.
Yes.
DJ talk everything. Make we dey hear before she come. DJ talk. DJ.
Okay. For their house. Now, last 3 months. Now, last year, bro. Now they give her belle, go remove her. 12 o'clock, go give you husband sleeping medicine. He go they smoke for another boy. Now they take give her belle. May she swear put. If not, they not give her belle.
Another one.
Yes.
Another one.
You say.
Wait. See, my brother, if you come just now, Mona ask her whether she dey smoke go or she not dey smoke. Ask her and say, what happen? Where go they sleep for second floor? Where be the second floor? Person can sleep.
Me now they say they smoke Igbo because of the way I think they talk. Now see guy they smoke, I never taste Igbo before.
So Mona still ask her. Mona still ask her again. Mona still ask her the time we do Osmans whether I not go join court. Mona still I want the names.
You don't get it, I don't go here. Don't go join court.
Your palazzo. I want the name something. Mona still ask her, you join court when you do your husband's. If you say no, Mona still ask her. When I still ask her, the house where they put her for court, the person get wife. The one can't tell wife say me wife come on for us. You understand? So the house where they put her, when they for do that thing, ask her whether they go the knock for person door for their house. Say Mona give me razor. Mona ask her. I might invite another person from Palazzo come this live screen and I might share and go give make that one climb up for you. The same person where they gotta did the same house.
Talk everything.
You understand? So Mona ask all those things.
Talk everything, my brother.
You understand? So and another thing. So this guy, so me and I get serious when they give another 3 years they remind again. Now petition when I write a baton, I did this contract, I don't the point for baton. I work at the go. As I did this last screen, if anybody said the whole money, make climb up, me cut talk. Or you give me something, say do for me, I not do one.
You know there, my brother.
People they yes, man. As people don't post me, person don't come and say, see what this person don't do me. See what this person don't do me.
My brother.
The day when they settle this guy issue, most of us the old men for us, both the union, everybody gather. Take the beg, go let me one. Now make me assess. I can't say who be me. I can't say no problem. The day she see me. If you see the happiness, she hug me. Even his daughter, so me they carry when I first take off that time. His daughter, come on for us. His daughter take my last. Carry your husband for motor. Still carry and come my house here. I tell her, I say, talk to your woman. Mona, no problem. I'll go talk to police. This guy, so even my sister won't tell you, so if you leave here, your own matter deal with our cabinet. If I lie this night, I don't know what he posted by your children. When I do my donation, they see for inside the video when still bully my children. Both your children picture is with our.
Thank you, my brother. As you carry my own joiner.
Not be me carry. For where for the bully my own children. Your own children cost it.
Bros, you never
Don't say ask
you
questions.
never send me.
No,
Oh.
what they talk. If I they talk, I will they bring. Don't worry.
You understand? So
Never ask me question now.
11 people.
Okay.
11 people. Now you do Nishana.
Make DJ goat. Sorry. Make DJ case fair talk.
Whoa.
You understand?
Bobby.
Sorry.
Drop Bobby.
Level people.
Arrest him, my dear.
Are you ready, my sister? Are you ready? Wait, hold on. Are you ready to talk?
Even
now?
now, the day as arrest.
Okay.
What do you do? What do you do a person never do?
Hold on, abeg. DJ, make him talk, abeg. You don't give you time to talk.
No, what do you do? Talk.
Hold on,
calm
abeg.
down now. Mona, calm down. Wait. Everybody calm down. I beg. Everybody calm down. Not be fight. Not the fight for you. We are all matured
Why not
here.
come back?
We are all matured here.
The thing they sweet me.
We are all matured and
Let's start.
experienced here.
Yeah.
Just let him talk. Make him talk.
Let's say you talk.
Power tap. 1K view will go.
Where are the power tap now?
Power tap, yo.
Bros, I greet you now. Good evening, yo.
Do, my sister.
You never send
Let's
me.
go back to. He said, hey, I better ask question again.
No, about the Ayelala and the.
No, we not that one. We want to DJ Go. Now, where did DJ Go talk?
No, now DJ Go. Now go come back to Ayilala. You know they go anywhere. I not go.
talking about DJ Go.
Now wife you are the use. Now wife you are the use. You know they off. Wait now they. You don't have you and DJ Go.
Tomorrow morning.
You go there comment session now. You go there put earpiece they sleep. You waiting how you and DJ DJ Chris still know how you know tell me waiting make the quarrel share me receipt make I know what you they talk how you take one for another man you can't how you take tell DJ
bro, before I say you the reason why I say send me your number I got what I want to say for you then may you know what before you go know say you will know where the matter they go.
Okay.
Yeah, my first send you first.
Every day, so ask Mona, what go say for you?
I want to
what go say for
I want to delete my app.
Bobby, not the only you. Me also come over this TikTok. I go lift it up.
Oh my wrist, they pay me.
Because I go drop Bobby. Mona let am talk.
No drop
Mona let am talk now.